Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix. In today's video, we're going to do a little recap on the JD.com stock, ticker symbol JD. And if you're not aware of, JD had a huge day yesterday, and it's down 3% or so today, but it's still up tremendously since I've created this video here. So first off, I made this video 13 days ago, 859 views. And you can see here, I purchased JD at $26. And in this video, which is like 3 videos back, I talked about, I wanted at a better price, lower, but it was so undervalued. That's why I put deep undervalued dividend stock. So undervalued, I was like, I have to get in. So I bought the 100 shares, and I was waiting for kind of like a red week maybe, to then sell some naked puts so I could buy more shares at an even cheaper price if it continued to go down. And if not, I collect the premium while also having the 100 shares. And in this video, I go over the analysis of the stock, why I bought shares, all the technical and fundamental. So I go over the technical here, why I bought shares. So I'm gonna go over that again a little bit in this video. And so first off, let's go to the fast graph. And you can see here, JD was up 14% yesterday. And you can see here this huge run from $26 all the way to $33. And it has potential to continue to go higher. And you can see here through fast graph, it was showing this time period here. You can see earnings are expected to be huge this year at 27%, but then settle down in 2025 and 2026. But this is from this level. So it's still undervalued based on these projections here. The dividend was about 3% when I got in. Now it's almost 2.2%, but it still has a earnings yield of 11, which is really good. I'd like to see this at 6.5 and higher, and an SP credit rating of A-, which is investment grade. So forecasting still nothing really changed for this. It just had a huge run up, and we're gonna. The one thing I want to talk about in this video is the technical part of this run up, because the fundamentals, nothing really changed. Just the price of the stock. And for the fundamentals, you can go back to my previous video here, the deep undervalued dividend stocks. Why did I buy? Everything you need to know here. Check out that video for more fundamentals. But let's go to the technical part. So this is again why I bought shares at that price point, because over here, first, if we draw this right about kind of like right here, strong support at the $23 to $20 area. This is great buying opportunity of this stock, and this is why I bought shares of a week or two ago around the $26, because I missed this opportunity here to buy shares here, and I was like, man, I think this is gonna bounce higher. Let me buy more, or let me just get in now, because it's still undervalued and it still looks great. And another thing I didn't go over here is this trend line. It broke the trend line. You can see it right here, right there. You got a point here. Let me see if I could draw this here, where we got the circle here. So we got here, and we got it over here, and we got it over here. So we got 1, 2, 3 points, and now, or 4 point with this one here, and now it broke it. Now it's gonna stay close here. Now what possibly could happen here on the technical side for JD is we go to this level here, the moving average, the 50 moving average on the monthly. We go to that here around the $52 area here. It could go straight up here from where we are to $52, $54, or it does a little pullback, kind of retest this support and trend line area here. If it does get a pullback to the $20 area, I will be buying more shares or selling puts. I will be doing that. If not, I am in nicely right now with about a 20-30% increase since I purchased. But this is where I'm looking to kind of sell half the position or sell some position here around the $50 area, because of this moving average here. Looks like it's gonna be some trouble, because it also coincide with this support or resistance area. You see here, as time goes on, this moving average is going to come lower. So right here, that $50 area is going to be a very strong resistance. So we're going to see how that reacts. But it looks, if it takes out this bar here, which is the high of 35.69, if it takes that out, watch out. This is going to go, you know, the $50. That's for sure. And if not, you know, I'm going to be waiting. I'm not buying any more shares now. I have a nice position here and collect the dividends. And if it pulls back, I will be buying more shares. So this is what attracted me most to this stock, is the undervaluation and the great technical aspect of it. If we look at the 3-month, the higher time frame, you can see here, you know, $45 is the area for resistance on the 13 moving average. This takes little weight. The 13 moving average I prefer for long-term investment. The 50 moving average and the 200 moving average on the 3-month and the monthly chart. So, but over here we do have it around 45. So that $45 to $50 area looks very nice. And again, here on the weekly, we should look at the weekly. You can see here, right here, the 200 moving average on the weekly around the $50 area. So you can see here, it does support the 200 on the weekly. You see here, resistance here, here, becomes support, support here, support here, support here. It breaks it, kind of resistance here, and takes it back down. So this is why that $50 area is going to be very important. But you can see this trend line very nicely on the weekly here. You had a here, resistance here, and then on this week, on the 16th, the week of the 16th, September 16th, it broke that resistance. It closed above that trend line, and then now we're above the trend line. Now we can come back and test the moving average here around the $27. That'd be a good opportunity. Those of you who missed purchasing shares of this company, that'd be a good opportunity to buy some shares to, you know, tip your toes in. Now I wouldn't go full in, but a nice 10% position of a normal position size of your portfolio, depending on your portfolio size. So that would be good there. If not, you know, it's still undervalued. If we go back to the fast graph, it's still undervalued based on, you know, fundamentals. So I like it a lot, and that's why I bought shares. So make sure to check out the previous video here, deep undervalued dividend stocks. And then we could see here back, if we go back to the daily chart, you can see here how the stock just had a tremendous 4-day, or actually it's been going up now, but it closed a high of, the high was 33.90 where it closed, 33.90 over here. So it's heading that way. Here's that resistance here. So if it takes out this resistance here, watch out, $50. But it possibly pulled back again because we have huge gap. So we have huge gap and huge orders in these areas. So they may want to, the market maker want to take this back to then take it higher, get these order fills. But overall, that's why I like the company and why I bought shares. Make sure to check out the previous video for the fundamental aspect. I just wanted to go over the technical size aspect of this stock and why I purchased share around this level here. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and make sure to hit the like button to help my channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.